Are you planning to invest in stock market but do not know where to start? This video is going to help you take a right course of actions in your stock market journey. If you watch this video from the beginning till the end, I can assure you that you do not need to approach anybody for their suggestions. You will be able to take decisions for yourselves in your stock market endeavor. Before I start, I would like to give brief background about myself. I am Partho Kundu, founder of Partho Kundu Stock Academy and a former Senior Vice President of India Bulls Ventures Limited. I have been in this market for last 17 years and gained immense amount of knowledge, experience and expertise that helped me shape the future of many traders and investors. I am fond of introducing people to the stock market and make their journey profitable and successful. Now I am going to talk about 3-step process that will help you understand your readiness to start your journey in the stock market. In the first step, we will talk about basic minimum knowledge one should have in the market. You should know what is trading account and what is demat account, how to choose a broker, what is the difference between discount brokers and full service brokers, what is cash market, what is derivatives market, what is intraday and what is delivery, corporate actions and its impact, margining rules of exchanges and risk management system, various economic indicators, basic charting techniques, understanding financial ratios and statements, and understanding of world economy. Once you gain basic knowledge, you can proceed to the next step and decide how you want to participate in stock market. There are two kinds of players in the market, traders and investors. Among traders, there are day traders, there are swing traders and short-term traders. As traders, you need to spend good amount of time on a regular basis on market activities, stock screening, spotting the trends and finding workable chart patterns. To become a successful trader, you must be emotionally intelligent, quick decision maker and free from excessive greed and fear. Most importantly, you must be serious and disciplined in your strategy implementation. On the contrary, investors typically build portfolios for longer period of time. They want to keep themselves away from daily market activities and avoid short-term ups and downs. Their goal is to buy and hold shares for 3 to 5 years at least and grow along with the market. Sound financial knowledge is prerequisite to become a successful investor. Once you decide how you want to participate in the market, you can move towards the final step. In this step, I am going to tell you how you can educate yourselves and get trained in your respective field of activities. As traders, you must know some tools that will help you implement and execute your strategies successfully in the market. You should know how to read charts, how to identify trends, how to use indicators and other statistical tools. In other words, you should ideally get trained in technical analysis. But as investors, you should gain knowledge in fundamental analysis. It will help you in evaluating performance of companies, analyzing industry trends and understanding the importance of micro and macro economic indicators. It will also teach you stock valuation techniques, stock selection process and portfolio building and rebalancing. We have come near to an end. Before finishing this video, a piece of advice for all stock market aspirants. Please educate yourselves about market, tools and techniques and market psychology before entering stock market for a profitable and successful journey. Thank you very much.